Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, error applying update to game, error validating patch 0, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying validation error problem on Hytale easily. So first off, you're going to close out the game, and once you're done closing out the game, now you're going to go ahead and uninstall Hytale. So you'll have to uninstall and then reinstall Hytale on your computer. So just search for Hytale on here and then uninstall the game, and once you're done with that, now you're going to go ahead and reinstall Hytale. So go into Hytale, click download for Windows, download and install Hytale on your computer. And once you're done with that, now you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here date and time. You're going to make sure that your date and time is set correctly, because if it is set incorrectly, you have problems connecting to the internet and such. You won't be able to update your game. So just set your time zone. After that, click sync now on here. And now you can go ahead and update your game, and you'll see that your game will now update correctly and you'll be able to play Hytale. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.